Greetings and welcome to this week's Prime Insight. My name is Gavin Gooden. I'm the Marketing Director here at BlastOne. Today I want to talk to you about quick shutdowns, because quick shutdowns saves lives. The first system I want to talk about is the ASAP system made by Schmidt. It's a Deadman retrofit system that can fit onto your blast faults, that can speed the shutdown, can increase the speed of the shutdown by 50%. Basically what happens, instead of exhausting the air in your hose out the nozzle, it reverses it and exhausts the air out the back through a 2-inch outlet. So it's a lot faster and a lot safer for you guys. The second thing I want to talk about is the response Deadman handle. The response Deadman handle acts 30% faster than other pneumatic Deadmans. And then of course, if you're running over 100 feet, electric Deadman is a must. Electric Deadmans are instantaneous. If you're over 100 feet, don't use pneumatic Deadman. The fourth thing I want to talk about is daily maintenance checks. Shut down at the start of a day, get ready to go, but don't start, and do your daily maintenance checks. You'll save lives, you'll find mistakes, you increase your productivity, and you get more out of you guys when you do daily maintenance checks. Stop those unnecessary breaks. Thank you for watching this week's Prime Insight. We'll see you next week.